Hello everyone. We are launching a full Java stack development program designed for beginners to advanced learners. So this is the course to develop real-time projects and you learn real-time concepts, and this course is Java full stack development course. It is a Java oriented training. It is a job oriented training program. If you want really become a professional Java developer with our complete training program, you will focus, will give good content, you will reach you good career to get good developer, software developer in IT industry. You will reach you good fit to the IT industry. If you want really learn this course after certain weeks, will get good confidence and we will achieve good career in IT industry with good packages. Okay, what you will learn here will cover all concepts: core Java, Java 8, collections and streams, JDBC plus MySQL, Spring Boot, microservices, REST API development, and cloud AWS, and you finally learn how to create projects. What are the real-time project? I will explain. Come to here what we have to cover in this course content. So this course name is the 4am Java development course. Like this website also like 4am Java development course. Okay, here is a simple and effective Java development course. We plan you can study every day at your times. Okay, this course cover completely core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, and microservices on cloud AWS. So and finally we cover some projects. Okay, what is full roadmap discover is those who want build their career, good career from beginners to and and beginners to and good learners. Okay, and it is a job ready level course, and we will cover all contents like core Java, that is the basics to learn everything. This is this language, Java language. It is take 1 to 4 weeks time. So what topics we have to cover here? Was first today introduction to Java. What is Java? What is the history of Java? What versions are uh, coming in Java? That is the I explained day one onwards. The Java, what is Java? What is Java Development Kit, JDK, Java Virtual Machine, JR running time, how to create the Java, how to run the files, and everything I have explained basic introduction. Next, we can go to the here variables. What is variables? How to get the variables memory? How to store into in a heap area or stack area? I will explain each and every step. Under data types, what are the data types? How many data types are there? That one explain in data cover in data types. Cost operators. Next, the logic will controlling based on the conditions. If statement, for loop, while loop. These are the cover into control statements. And next, more important one is hoop concepts. What is a class? So the freshers are beginners, those who don't know even the computer language and Java language. I will explain from basic onwards. You will get the understanding each and every day. You will attend the classes, slowly get the grasping the concepts, slowly you will understanding what is a class, basics ones. object, inheritance, inheritance concept, what is the inheritance, why we can use, I will explain, and polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. This all covers OOP concept, object-oriented programming concepts. This all thing. In interviews also asking this type of questions. If you want to learn the Java, first you know this class, what is a class, what is object, how to practically I will show class how to create or how to create object, why we can inheritance one class to another class by using extend keyword, how to inheritance concept. I will explain each and everything, these all things. Okay, and come to here constructors. So what is the uh, how to constructing, how to what are the importance of constructor, everything I will explain through what are the benefits of constructor, what is the importance, I will explain each and everything. Okay, and coming to next topic, that method overloading and method overriding. Okay, after come to here arrays. Okay, and I explain arrays and showing the programs also, and practical theoretically I explain 20 minutes, and practically I will showing code on this book 40 minutes. Okay, coding strings also same, what is string, why the importance of string. Okay, after arrays are complete fixed size. Okay, this is some drawback coming to new now industry using collections. So I explain what is collection, why we can use. So in this here covered list, set, map, hash map, collection. Okay, tree map, linked list, this one. Next, exceptional link. If you get the application any exception, the program will be terminated. So I will show how to handling this exception without termination, how to handle this all I explain. Okay, file handling, these are the basics. Next come to Java 8 features. Now in industry, in the development projects, we are using these Java 8 features like streams. What is the stream, why we can use streams, lambda, functional interface, optional classes, method reference, these all I have to cover in Java 8 features. And I will also explain Java 9, 11, 14 features also. But all most projects now, all projects are running in industry with Java 8. Majority of projects are in Java 8 also. Now, okay, I will explain each and everything. Coming to daily here, daily in this core Java, daily we have taken. I will take 1 hour class, 20 minutes theoretical part. I explain each and everything, concept, why we are using, what is the importance, everything I explain. After whatever I explain, I will show coding practice in front of you. It will take 40 minutes. Total 1 hour is complete every day. Next one. Second one. Java JDBC. This is the concept. Java application interact with the JDBC. So from Java application we create the tables and fetching the tables from database. These are the Java data. We can call Java database connectivity. So I cover in fifth week JDBC and SQL, sequential query language. Okay, so what obviously you will learn here, MySQL installation. I will show installation, how to create the tables, and what commands in database using SQL queries. Everything I will explain. Okay, SQL queries, card operations, create, update, delete. This operation I show, and joins concept. One table to another table, how to left join, right join, how to get the data, and what, how to run this queries, everything I will explain. JDBC connections, prepared statements, transactions, this all covered into JDBC SQL topic. Come to sixth week and seventh week, we have to convert it, cover this advanced Java. After Java, next serverless on the days using serverless JDWE technologies and JSP, Java Server Pages, filters, MVC architecture. After rapid improvement, one by one, the Java is growingly grow up. So I will explain this all, cover this all things in these topics, advanced Java. Okay, coming to most important and now trending going in industry, applications are running, developing big larger application, enterprise application using this technique, Spring and Spring Boot. So I will cover these all topics this technology in this between 8th week and 12th week. This is the Spring Core. So in Spring Core, I was inversion of control, how to create beans inside the container, why we can call IVC container, how this IVC container retrieve the metadata from XML file, what is dependent injection, bean scope, component, why using heart rate component, what is the use of heart rate auto uh, and Spring Boot. Next one I covered Spring Boot. So this is the nowadays now a trend is you check with your relatives or your cousins of those who are working in IT industry in big companies like TCS and Wipro, Capgemini and Infosys. No? Now the Java developers and application developers, software engineers using this technology is being very important. Now some 7 years to 14 years and 4 years guys are all working in this Spring Boot technology. Okay, I will explain clearly one by one how to create REST APIs, how to define REST controller in class and services repository, why you can use, what is important in a show each and everything, develop on application showing practically each and everything and explain critical ways. Okay, DTO, entity validation, we can get exceptions in this application, how to handling exception handling, logging profiles, what are the profile accurate, these are the covered in Spring Boot lot of things. Hmm? Before in Spring Framework, IBC content create, we go to get the data from metadata from configuration files. So overcome that configuration, we can Spring Boot is take automatically care each and everything. So I will explain the difference also. And come to another topic, Spring Data JPA. JDBC is already overdate. So now interested in Spring Data JPA repository, why you can use Spring JDBC, what is the importance. I explain this. What is pagination? We want to display 410,000 records at a time. So we can go for the pagination. Where to use? We will get one by one covered each and everything. You come daily, attend the classes, you will understand these all things. So covering these all topics, one to many, many to one. So I will show practically and explain theoretically also. Another major regulation technology, this microservices. A big large application divided into micro services, individual services. So now teaching this, I will teach this microservices. What is the microservice architecture? Before microservice architecture, monolithic architecture using, what is the what is the what drawbacks, what is the importance, advantage, disadvantages. I will explain. What is Eureka server, API gateway, how to configure server, how to microservices communicate through fin client, this template, load balancing, distributed loading, so circuit breaker pattern. So I will explain this all. These are the technologies using microservices, Spring Boot, everything developed application. Next one, cloud deployment. So after Jenkins, there is automation deployment, Kubernetes, everything. You can now industry is looking as AWS, Azure, and GCP. But here we learn AWS cloud only basics. Okay, easy to create instance, S3 bucket, RDS, AM, deployment of Spring Boot application, how to deploy in AWS cloud. I will show practically. So tools, what is Git, what is GitHub, what in Maven tool, what doing Postman for testing purposes, REST API, and these are like covered in tools. Okay, and IDEs. So first of all, I show Notepad, some basic just Java first initial test. After I go to IntelliJ, IDE, and Eclipse. Now in the industry using these tools only to develop in the work. That also Docker, what is Docker, how to create Docker images, what is everything I will explain theoretically. So in Docker topic. And finally weeks, I will show practically one projects called REST API using a employee project, employee salary, employee record, creating and insert into database, how to get that data details into backend, JSON response. Everything I will show using the Spring Boot and JP and the microservice architecture project, API gateway config server. This all thing I show in practically in final weeks and a real-time project Spring Boot, Angular front-end, and back-end Spring Boot or React and front-end. So I will show real-time projects also. Okay. Once uh, cover attend regular classes, you will get confidence and you will get good confidence and you will go to good career in IT industry with good packages. So this is the content and course details everything. If you want to interest, can you I will describe my contact details everything in this website. Please reach out to me. I will explain each and everything this concept. I have totally 10 years experience in IT industry. I will explain real-time projects and theoretically you will get good content, you will get good confidence, everything. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.